Hey guys, it's your girl Rhea and welcome back to my channel, Rhea's Glam Life. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that red button, thumbs up this video, and share if you want to. I'd appreciate that. But thank you for coming in. I hope that you come part of the Glam Fam, and if you are already part of the Glam Fam, welcome back, or as y'all should be telling me, welcome back, because I've been gone. I'm gonna be doing this eye look that I got off someone from Instagram that I follow. She does wonderful, excellent looks, and I seen this look and I was like, I can do that with my palette, Urban Vibes Volume 1 palette. So if you wanted to see how this came along, stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'm going to do a look from someone that I follow on Instagram. She does bomb ass looks, and if you don't know who she is, you guys should definitely check her out. So I'm going to be, of course, using the Urban Vibes Cosmetics palette volume 1 to create this look, and I'm going to just post the look, a picture of it here. If you want to know who she is, just send me a message on IG. But I'm going to try to create this look. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my MAC Paint Pot. This person that I got this look from, she normally does she does lives Monday through Friday with her makeup, and she's very interactive with her audience. And I just think she's really dope. I wish that I had the opportunity to, work with her, but you never know what the future holds. I know sometimes people tend to do their own thing, which is perfectly fine. I've never reached out to her. I'm always missed the live because she is up super early and I'd be knocked out. I wish that I could catch her in the morning live because she's so interactive, and she responds, it seems like, to every single comment, and I just like somebody that's like that. I really like that. They're not too big and too full of themselves to where they don't ignore their comments. These do not look the same. I always do this one so much better than this one. It's like, what gives? But let me see the colors that she used. They're similar to the colors in these earrings, which, by the way, I got these earrings from Unapologetic Accessories. You should check them out as well. It's another small business owner. And y'all know that I'm down with the small business owners. So looks like she started out with pink. So that's what I'm gonna do. And y'all know I wasn't expecting that to come out like that. I've never really worked with my own pink, y'all. I be telling y'all, don't be intimidated by the colors, but I am definitely intimidated by these colors. Sometimes I have to see looks and be like, I can do that look with my palette before I actually work with it. It took me almost 2 weeks into launch to fully work with Urban Vibes Volume 1 palette. Not because it's not good or anything, but because the colors are so vibrant. I'm really loving how this is looking already. I'm gonna try to, blend that out, bring it all the way around. And like I said, I didn't watch her live when she did this look, but I noticed the colors and I was like, I can do that with my own palette. Okay, so we got the pink on, and I definitely need to get rid of that white spot. That's the only thing that I don't like about when you put like a base down. You have to like blend in those lines. Okay, so with the same brush, I'm going to go in with purple. So I used the pink and I'm going to go in with the purple. And I'm just going to go in right here. It's cute. Okay, so this look is almost over with, you guys. I'm going to, where is this brush? I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to use the blue, and I really need to be light-handed with this blue because it goes on. Look, it's pigmented. So I really have to be, look at this. I have to be super light-handed with this. So I need to get some of this off before I go in with this color. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get it to look exactly like hers, but I'm going to try. And I'm just kind of dabbing from where I put the excess because this blue don't come to play, okay? You guys, I am sorry if y'all feel like I have been absent on these YouTube streets, but I be wanting to give y'all good quality videos, and my kids are very loud, so I have to find a time to, you know, do the videos to where I don't have to do a lot of editing because I don't like editing. That is the worst. Oh, I hate editing. I'm going to go in with this green over the rest of the lid. I really can't stand editing. And if I have to edit out a lot, I just don't worry about the video. Sometimes I record and the video, it be, a nice video, but I have to edit out so much. And then on top of that, it's like, okay, I have to edit out important parts. And that's what I don't like at all. What is the point of me doing a video if I have to edit out? This is turning out really pretty. Look at this, y'all. If I have to edit out the good parts, the parts that are key to the video. So I just try to wait it out and wait it out and wait it out until I'm able to do a good quality video. And sometimes I have to wait until, like now, it's 1 something in the morning, but I'm doing this look for you guys because this is what I wanted to do. This is the type of video that I wanted to do. And I like, showing off, what my eyeshadow palette can do. It's a really good eyeshadow palette, and I feel like people look at me like I don't know what I'm doing, or, I'm the underdog, but give the underdog a chance, y'all. You will be pleasantly surprised. This I promise you. I would never, sell something that I wouldn't use. And even though I have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes, I barely use them because I have my own and I believe in my brand. I definitely think that my brand is compatible. Sorry, I gotta get a little bit close. Like I got a black eye. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Looks like I have a black eye. Now, if y'all want to know why my face is greasy, it's because, you know, your girl been working on the skincare. And as y'all can see, my skin is popping. But been working on doing skincare and tapping into my shoe drop. Tapping into my skin a little bit more because I've been wanting to look, you know, flawless without makeup as well. You know, needed to take better care of my skin, especially since I don't really drink a lot of water. That's another thing that I need to work on, and I've been that way for years. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, guys, but I'm just talking to y'all like y'all my regular folk because y'all are. Alright guys, I'm back. I just have to say this is the worst that I've ever applied lashes, like in the history of applying my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face and put on, oh my god, I cannot do a wing or eyeliner to save it. Like if I carry it beyond, I fuck it up. It's horrible. Horrible. I'm gonna go in with Beauty Bakery. And I know it's not gonna clean it up any, but okay guys, so I went ahead and put my foundation on. I'm sorry about you guys didn't get to see it, but this is ran out of storage space and I didn't have an extra memory card available, so I had to finish applying that before it dried, because you know how Beauty Bakery is. Once it's dry, that's where it sets, and I did not want that stuff to dry. Okay, so this is the look. You let me know how you think I did, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I usually don't do the waterline look, but I mean, I'm kind of liking it for this. So if you think I did pretty good with matching up with oh, you think I did pretty good with the way that it turned out compared to the one that I showed in and out the video, then let me know. I'm going to be doing more of these to kind of show what looks you can pull with the Urban Vibez Volume 1 palette, because I feel like a lot of people are intimidated by it. Like I told you before, I was once intimidated by it myself, but we're going to get that about y'all, okay? Okay. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next flipping video. Peace.